Hello my dear friends, good morning. So friends, for the Halwa Puri breakfast we need to have the aloo ki sabzi or the tarkari, which is a must with it. So for that I have 3 medium potatoes cut cube and in cold water. Then I will need half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Yes, just half teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of lemon juice at the very end. And for the spices, I'm using a teaspoon. So for the dry spices, I have half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon full of mustard seeds, which is rye, half teaspoons of red chili flakes, just a pinch, or you can see black seeds, which is enough for the recipe. Actually, these black seeds, they make the taste so bitter for my family that I don't really add that much. And then be very careful with these mustard seeds also. I have only I think 6 of these, makes a very small pinch. I'm gonna use the pressure cooker to cook this recipe in a very quick instant way. This recipe is going to be with very less oil and very healthy way. I'm trying to use half teaspoon of oil in it when cooking. So over here it has 1.5 cups of water. It's all cut and clean, cubed. And I'm going to add this to my pressure cooker with no oil right now. Similarly, going all the dry spices. I think I made a mistake while telling you guys about Methi dana, and these are Fenugreek seeds, and I added 6 to 7 of these only. It's 1/4 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Just mixed everything together. Half teaspoon of cooking oil going into it. This is very light for the recipe of making this aloo ki sabzi to go with the parathas or puri. And now I'm gonna put the lid on, and on medium high flame I will let it cook 3 pressure cooker whistles. So after 3 whistles and allowing it to get the pressure out, we are looking at the sabzi. We will let it cook on high flame without the lid, and it will thicken by itself. Check the salt and the red chili powder at this point if you need to add more. It's always a good idea to have less, and then you can add more if you want to, rather than the other way. So after cooking it for 3 to 4 minutes, I still saw the water which was there, and I really like the consistency just like this. We have to let it thicken by itself, so I kept on cooking it for altogether 6 to 7 minutes on medium high flame until you get this consistency. And at this point I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. If you like less, you can add less. And for just the color, I think 1 tablespoon of this coriander leaves. And I like the consistency with the puri or the paratha just like this. We are having it with the puri, and at this point I'm gonna dish it out. So this is the final look of the aloo ki tarkari, and it tastes yummy. It tastes delicious. Give it a try with your next halwa puri breakfast. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Over here we have the chana salan. The halwa is in progress, and we are making the puris very soon. So have a nice weekend, guys. Have a nice Easter brunch. Take care.